That's it. With this, okay, we don't have this. What is our report name? SSRS report name. What is our report name? Purge order copy 2. Just copy this, and this is the report name. What is our report name? Design. Precision design. Right? I'm just copying it and then pasting it here. Now it is too late to too late to change the design name, but you have to follow the naming convention. These ones and all are not good. So let's give it a build. Why this is showing copy to? I haven't changed this. I might have changed the other one. What should I accepted? Anyways, doesn't matter. That is also custom design one only. Now save it and build it. Build it. So build complete. Now I'm deploying the reports. So here we have seen one exception. What is that? An error occurred while deploying the report BOD1. This might be because not installed, not configured correctly. The defined parameters is not equal to the cell definitions in the parameter panel. Yeah, I know this. This is a error which is often which can be often seen. So when you add any new fields and restore the database, it is going to add some additional parameters. That is the issue. How to rectify that? You just have to open the original table, original report, purchase order report, search for it, not data model, not data types, not code, user interface, reports. Now if you see here, design datasets parameters, closely observe the parameters are the same. How many are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. What is this? 12. One field is additionally added. What is that? Try to identify it. Record ID, text, form, letter, record ID. Yeah, here, purchase order. This might have also been added to here as well. Report parameters. Also check. Yeah, see here there is only one parameter, but here you see two parameters. Let's remove the additional one, delete. Okay, then save it. And you cannot. Is this here? The order line. And what about this parameters? Yeah, it is here, so no problem with this, but here we need to remove it. Here you cannot delete. So what you have to do is open this in XML editor. Before that, try to copy this eSpudge confirmation request journal properties, just to copy. This could also be a problem because here it is showing as journal and it is journal 1. Okay, what we can do is copy this and change the 1 to this. Let us see whether if it accepts or not. Okay, remove 1 and open the XML format, open with XML editor. Okay, yes, Control F. Yeah, here you see which part of this is this. Okay, this is dataset parameter. This is what we want to delete, but two of the datasets are having this parameter. Let us see which parameter is this belongs to. Select purchase order purchase order temp, which is the additional line we have to remove. Order line dx is order line ds. Okay, I lost here for a moment. One sec. Order line, right? Line and temp. See here. Here is the additional in our report for this dataset. This has been added, additional parameter. So we are in the right place, I think. So in journal, just simply remove this, save this and check for other parameter. Now this is needed because we have it here, and then save it, and then we just can open this, then see the parameter, the additional parameter here is gone, and here the parameter is also gone. Perfect, excellent. Now just give it a build. Build completed. Now deploy reports. Again we have received this error. Is this shown here? A number of defined parameters is not equal to the number of cell definitions. Precision design 1. So what's wrong with this parameter? This is fine. Let's open properties. No, not properties. Let's open this. Open with XML editor, add. Oh, cancel. Okay. Yes, something is wrong here. Purchase order journal 1. Report dataset parameter is purchase. Okay, this is fine. This is fine. Report parameter base. The last one also we need. Okay, is purchase confirmation required. Parameter this is fine. Okay. Here we see, I see something here. 1. There should not be any 1 here. Save it. 1. remove it, save it, and 1. Why 1? It should be only single. 1. Okay, let's give it a try again. Control Shift B. Let's wait for the errors. The build succeeded. Yeah, build completed. No errors. So let's deploy the report. Deploy. Let's see the output. Yeah, our precision design 1.rdl is deployed. Now it's show time. Just refresh it. We should be able to see our new report in the drop down. Let's wait for it. Go to the print management. Purchase order, original. And then we should be able to see our report. Copy one dot report. We are not seeing it. What's wrong with this? Let's go to the Visual Studio. Ah, dp1 dot extension. We have added it in a different solution. So actually this is the solution. Let's close this. Don't save. Don't save. Now coming here, precision design 1, purchase order copy report 2, and deploying failed. We have to change it here instead of there. This is messed up. Okay, let's close this. So now let's open the designer here. Parameters. Okay. Failed. Now let's deploy this. go to here and deploy reports. Do we have any errors here? No errors. Copy to error while deploying report. Install error system. Number of defined parameters. Again, we have this issue. So what do we do? Again, we'll check the parameters and all. Properties. Okay, journal. Properties. We'll see. And open with properties. No. Open with XML editor. Okay. Again search with that. This is fine, this is fine, this is fine. Okay, this is not coming. There is it. Cell definitions in the parameter panel. The number of error is here. Number of not. An error occurred while deploying. Okay. Number of definitions. Okay. Close this. And if you open it here, data sets, parameters. Just dataset 1 parameters is patch confirmation request journal. Any other okay, this could also be one more thing. Report configuration manager. Let's restart it. Okay, connect, stop and start. And because it is saying that this could also be because the reporting server has not been installed. Let's build it, give it a try. Let's give it a try and check. And also let's clear all and let's deploy the reports. I'm hoping this would solve the issue, otherwise we'll see. Okay guys, as we are facing the issue, I just recreated the report with the same thing and I followed the same steps, but instead the previous name I just renamed this. Okay, and inside the report I created a precision report with the same design, and also I updated this report name precision design. Right? I also updated the delegate handler with the new design. You can see here new report, duplicated report, and the new design, and I built it. So I just built it here. The deployment is succeeded and it got executed. So now let me refresh this. If we do this, we should see our newly added duplicated design selection here. So yeah, this is our new report, right? We just selected this. That's it. It should be updated. It should be saved by default. Now let's go to the purchase order. Purchase orders. and then select any of the record and trigger a report. We should be seeing our new fields added. Okay, I just selected this and go to the purchase and then go to the invoice and journals. Where is our yeah, purchase and then journals. Here we trigger original review, then our new duplicated report should be shown. Let us see what it gives. So what it is saying, go to message details, cannot select a record in the purchase. Oh, invalid column, BOD address, amount. This is not related to our report. This might be due to sequence select record show purchase order. Okay. Invalid column name BOD1 dot address. So there might be a build issue. Let us build and synchronize to the models, relevant models. This is also uh, this is also one of the issue you might be facing. It will be good to do. Okay, and synchronize with database. We'll do our also, and also it is saying BOD1, right? We'll also build and synchronize that BOD1 dot. Also for the safe side, I'm doing this as well. Build cross-reference data and synchronize. Let's give it a try. This usually happens, when you open multiple projects and then won't do the code changes and won't synchronize the database. Then this unsynchronized database project references were already added to the AOT. So you will be facing this kind of issues because in the AOT you will have those columns, but in the database you won't be having that. That's why you have to build and synchronize. So I might have not synchronized the changes of the previous project, which is BOD1 or something. So now I am synchronizing that project. If there are no errors in that project, then this should be successful. I have 20 GB in use. I think we have enough memory here as well. This would normally take time, and it is. Let's wait.
ఇదే కదా
So it is saying purchase order to. Where is this purchase order to copy? It's in BOD1, right? We have to open that project. I have to remove that. Just close this. Just deleting it. And you have to build this. Really succeeded. Let's close it. And also we'll build this as well. So I'm triggering the report. I hope it doesn't have any errors now. You see here, our report is successfully generated and this is the data we have added for the newly extended items. So, and this is the header data, purch ID I have added. I will also add the header table data we have added. So let me open the design and add. Which report is this? This is not the our report. Okay, open this and edit using designer. And here let us take some our new field that is added in the header. Cus field 1 and also cus field 2. Let's give it some space. Okay. Okay, as we have changed the report, we have to save it and we need to deploy the report. Just deploy the report and we'll see whether this data is propagated or not. Output report deployment is succeeded, and let me close this and refresh this and regenerate the report. So we have to see the values that we populated here. Okay, and let's go to print management. Cancel what yeah, see here it showed the newly added fields. We have filled the header fields with cust header 1 and cust header 2. Those values are being shown in the header part, and in the line part these values are added. Okay, uh, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.